This topic is called order of operations with whole numbers and exponents. And it's basic, so they're just starting at the very beginning of this type of problem. P.S. Can you please subscribe to my channel and like any videos that you may find helpful. So we want to do our order of operations. And so we need to remember that we do parentheses first, and then we do exponents and roots second, multiply and divide left to right in order third, and then addition and subtraction left to right in order fourth. So we don't have any parentheses in this problem, but we do have exponents. So we want to do 2 to the third power first. So we have 24 plus 16 divided by. Now, just as a reminder, when you have this exponent, that's the little 3 above the 2. This 3 tells you how many times to write the base. Okay, so wait, let's use vocabulary here. So 2 is called the base. This is the base. I do have another video on exponents, but I'll just do this really quick. And then the 3 is called the exponent. So the exponent tells you how many times to write the base. So we're going to write 2 3 times. And then exponents, that's actually repeated multiplication. So we're going to multiply 2 times 2, which is 4, and then we times that by 2, and we get 8. So we have this here, okay? So our 2 to the third power, or 2 cubed, is 8. Now, so we did our exponents. Now we want to do multiplication and division next. So we want to do 16 divided by 8. This is where a lot of people might make mistakes because they really want to start at the left and just go straight to the end. So I like this topic. They're kind of making you, actually, we're starting at the end. We did 2 cubed first. Now we're going to do 16 divided by 8, which is 2. And then we're going to add the 24 plus 2. So we want to really make sure we're following our order of operations. A lot of times you'll hear it called PEMDAS. I mean, I don't know, some people say, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. That's this PEMDAS. But we got to remember that the M and the D go together. Like those are multiplication, division. We do those in order. Okay, so we're going to do another problem. Okay, so we don't have parentheses, so we do our exponents. 3 to the second power, the 2 tells us to write 3 twice, and then we times it. So that becomes a 9. We have 8 times 9 divided by 3. Now we have multiplication and division. So those are on the same level. They're number 3. So we just go left to right. Now we do like we would normally do if we're reading a book. We go left to right. So 8 times 9 is 72, and then we divide that by 3. So let's see, 3 goes into 7 2 times with 1 left over. So the answer is going to be 24. And we'll do one more problem. I'm going to leave that pen down up there. Where's my eraser? Okay, so we're going to start with our parentheses. Okay, so we want to simplify what's in parentheses first. So we have 5 minus 1, which is 4. And then notice that the little 3, that exponent, is on the parentheses. That means whatever's in the parentheses, we're going to raise to the third power. And then we're going to divide that by 8. So the 3 on the exponent tells us to write 4 3 times, and we times them together. And then we divide by 8. So we still, because this is our exponent, we want to simplify this first. 4 times 4 is 16 times 4 is 64. When we divide that by 8, we get 8. Okay, that's the end of the lesson.